Hey friends, it's Lisa back with a new process video for Bella Boulevard. This is an older layout. I'm a little bit behind with. You would think that with just staying at home we have a lot of time, yeah, and we do, but I'm doing so much stuff, so yeah. I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone is feeling okay and you and your family are all right, and I hope that soon we will be able to go out again. Yeah, so I hope you also have a lot of time for scrapbooking and that you can be creative at home and not be bored with doing nothing. So yeah, this layout I did for Bella Boulevard, and it's Easter themed, or yeah, a little bit Easter themed, but I really liked how this turned out. I used this was inspired by a mood board, and there was a little image of paint strokes, and they were, was it this one, or I don't really remember, but I was inspired by the colors. I don't really remember how the colors were, what the colors were on the image, but it was yeah, these colors, and then there was a little bunny thingy, Easter egg shaped, and then there also was a little quote saying baby, oh baby. Yeah, so I got inspired by those things, and I started with the stripes. So I love making stripes on my layouts, either with color, mixed media, or with paper. And here I took the paper. It's the Bella Besties, where you have the dots on one side and the stripes on the other side. And here is the Oh Baby that I was telling you about. And so I used the stripes on the background, and then I stitched on the like on the bottom and on the top, and then I distressed the edges a little bit. And then I use this quote, "Oh baby," and I choose a very cool font of all my fonts that I have, and I wrote "Oh baby," and then I cut it out in pink paper, and I also cut it out a little bit bigger, like with an offset in white, to have this white offset and frame. So, and then I was looking for a good picture because I wanted to write "You're the cutest bunny," and I couldn't find one on my phone. So I was like, calling my boyfriend, and I was like, okay, you need to take a picture with me. And he was like, okay, but he thought that he needed to take a picture of me, and I was like, no, you need to be on the picture too. And he was like, no, I don't want to be. And I said, yes, you need to be, and I want you to be a bunny with me. So and then at one point he was like, okay, let's do it. So we just took the picture for this layout, and it was very funny. And I was very happy that he took the picture with me. So and then like I said, there was this egg-shaped bunny on the mood board, and I traced this bunny like it's an egg with bunny ears almost, and I cut it out from one of the Bella Besties papers. This layout is only Bella Besties. Also, the black paper that I used behind the photo is Bella Bestie. And yeah, so I cut out the bunny, and then I scribbled some lines, some shadows on my bunny to make it more, to make it stand out more, to give it more dimension. And I really like to do that on my layouts lately. So, and then when I was watching and when I was editing the video, I was like, oh, you could have like put more, mixed media on the stripes and made them look a little bit more distressed and even, and then with a little bit of white gesso and stuff, just a bit more color and it's dressy and stuff, but yeah, it's okay. The only thing that bothers me a little bit on this layout is all the stripes and all the dots. I love them. I love the Blvd papers, but it would have been enough on the background. It would have looked so good only on the background, but then the rest of the things I would have loved to have more, what do you call those, just one, without patterns papers. What do you call those, plain papers maybe. And since there are not really many plain papers in the Bella Boulevard collections, it was a little bit harder to find something that wasn't as patterned. So maybe next time I will use cardstock, because the patterns were a little bit too much at the end. But it's still okay. It still looks cool, but I wish I had used cardstock. Okay, so then I am creating very fast a little bow for my bunny, and it's really easy to do. Really, you just need to cut out this weird shape and then fold it. And I'm sure you really don't know what I mean by weird shape, but I'm sure some of you know exactly what the shape is for making bows. If you don't know, leave me a comment and I will try to explain or link you to something where you can see how to do them. Then, yeah, I didn't tell you that I created these flowers before I even began with all the rest. I used a stem set with dies, coordinating dies from Vicky Boutin, and the flowers are really, really cute. I love those. So I stamped the flowers on the same papers that I used for the stripes, and then I cut them out using dies. And I really love how those flowers turned out. But again, I think that it's like there are too many patterns going on this layout, and even though it looks very cool, maybe a little less patterns and a little more white or something. I don't really know what it is, but it's really pretty. I love it, but it's too many patterns. So yeah. Then I thought that we didn't look bunny-ish enough, so I added some and like noses, and I don't know what the things are called. I know it, but I don't know it now. So the mustache or something. So I added that, and I thought that looked very cute. And then I went back to my stash of enamel dots. These are the matte Bella Boulevard enamel dots, and I used them on some of the flowers. I didn't really want to use them on every flower, and honestly, I didn't really have enough for every flower, but I wanted to have some accents on some of the flowers, not all of them. And then I also needed to finish my title, so the first thing was "Oh Baby." Oh, I'm not there yet. I am I'm making splatters with some of the shimmers sprays. I used a yellow, a light pink, a darker pink, and a blue, and the shades were like they matched perfectly with my colors that I had going on there. And yeah, so that looks very cool. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, the page is too busy. It's too busy. I don't know if it's only the patterns or all the things that I adhered on my page or something, but it's too busy. But well, I'm doing the rest of my title. I'm writing "You're the cutest bunny," and so that's why I really needed the picture for, because I wanted to use that title. And I think everything looked very cute together. And I love the Florence stickers. I got them in every color from Blvd, and I'm really happy about that because I use them all the time. They are the cutest font and they stick very well. They are a little bit small, but they are perfect to add, to have different fonts. Like you start with a big font and then you add the rest with a little small font. Then I'm just adding some of the black hearts from the Florence sticker sheet and I'm done. Yeah, like I said, too busy but very cute. Thank you so much for watching. See you very soon. Have a nice day. Bye.